under hip, foot out in front, ankle under knee, hands come down, long flat back. So in this half kneeling position, you're just going to do a gentle rock. Feeling the joints move, allowing the muscles the opportunity to move without a lot of pressure. Moving in the coordinated fashion that they're designed to do. Then reach up. My right foot is forward. I reach up with my left hand, supporting through the right hand and shoulder. Big twist. Lots of support in this tripod position. And then after I do the left foot forward, you can switch and do the rocking and the twisting with the right foot forward. Then simply upright, head, shoulders, hips, nice and tall. I'm going to reach, my left knee is down, so I'm going to reach my left arm up, stretching through this whole fascial sling, getting a big lengthening. I even like to look up without dropping my head back. So I feel this front part of my body expanding upward. And then of course you want to do the other side. Get that big expansion, nice support. Then coming down to the hands and knees, reaching one arm under, resting on your shoulder and your head, getting a big stretch through the back. Nice twist. I like to say 3 to 5, inhale, exhale. Then from here, curl your toes under. Really good posture. Shoulders down and back. Feel your feet stretch, probably your calves as well. 3 to 5 breaths. And then if you want to, from here, you can transition to a deep squat and stand up.